On a hadith recorded in Sahih Muslim, hadith number 430, the beloved Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, while describing his night journey to the heavens, that is the journey of Miraj, the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said that when he saw Musa alayhi salam, Isa alayhi salam and Ibrahim alayhi salam for the first time, they were all offering salah in different heavens respectively. If we read the Quran, we find that Allah commanded 5 times of daily and obligatory salah, as mentioned in Surah Hud, Surah number 11, ayat number 114, Surah Bani Israel, Surah number 17, ayat number 78, Surah Rum, Surah number 30, ayat number 17, and in Surah Khaf, Surah number 50, ayat number 39. The only ayat in the Quran that has the timings mentioned of all the 5 times salah in one single ayat is in Surah Taha, Surah number 20, ayat number 130.